you rather like live successfully or live happily?
Happily.
Live happily.
Because success is included in happiness.
Hello everybody, this is Pragya. Welcome back to my channel TIO aka Talk It Out. So आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, let me tell you, he is one of a kind. His amiable, kind and pleasant nature is something everyone adores. With 35 years of experience and plus working with government and non-government associations, he is a very hardworking man who is super committed to his work. Yes. Also called as the man of his words, I welcome Mr. Sanjeev Jain, CA by profession, my father, on my channel. Welcome, Mr. Jain.
Thank you. Love you. All the best.
Thank you. So, starting with your personal life, I want to know how was your childhood? Like about your parents, your family, nuclear or joint. So tell me about it.
It was joint family, and my parents were very simple. My mother was educated and she wanted all her children to be educated. It is because of her that all her children have got good education, and we are here because of them.
Yeah, Chaiji has that thing. She
Chai
always
ji.
wants that we get educated by any
Yes,
means. Yeah,
yes.
true that. How many siblings did you have?
8.
So with like 8 siblings, and I guess being the youngest one,
Yes.
were you the most pampered?
No, I was not pampered. I was most confident, I can say. Even being the youngest, I used to say, ये हो जाएगा, कोई मुश्किल नहीं है काम. मेरे को एक एग्जांपल याद है, हमारे दीदी की एफडीआर गुम हो गई. उस वक्त मैनुअल एफडीआर होती थी. कोई कंप्यूटर रिकॉर्ड नहीं था कि एफडीआर कैसे ढूंढी जाए. मैंने घर में कहा मेरे एग्ज़ाम होने दो, मैं उसके बाद जाऊंगा और मैं लेके आऊँगा. मैं बैंक गया, बैंक वालों को बोला, वो कहते जी यहाँ तो 50 कॉपीज़ हैं, हम आपको ये एफडीआर कैसे ढूंढ देंगे. मैं कहा कोई बात नहीं जी, मैं 1 2 10 दिन लगा लूँगा यहाँ पे. आप मानोगे, वो कॉन्फिडेंस ही था मेरा कि मैंने अभी 10 मिनट हुए, दूसरी कॉपी खोली, मेरा हाथ जहाँ गया वो सीधा हमारे दीदी जी का एफडीआर निकल आया. तो मैं पैम्पर नहीं कहूँगा, आई वॉज कॉन्फिडेंट.
So let's talk about शरारतें. क्या है आपकी शरारतों की पटेरी में? Like कैसी आपने शरारतें करी with your like college and plus the school life. So ऐसी कोई शरारत जो आप एक्चुअली हमारे साथ डिस्कस करना चाहें?
शरारतें तो हमने की नहीं जी.
हाँ.
हमें तो कॉलेज लाइफ के बाद पता लगा गेड़ी रोड क्या होती है. वो भी सीए करने के बाद, पहले नहीं, बच्चों से पता लगा कि गेड़ी रोड भी होती है. हम डीएवी कॉलेज चंडीगढ़ थे, उसके साथ ही गेड़ी रोड थी, हमें वो भी मालूम नहीं थी. हम तो भाई एजुकेशन में लगे रहे जी.
अच्छा, तो कॉलेज स्कूल लाइफ में भी आप किसके पीछे लाइक भागे? मार्क्स के पीछे या गर्ल्स के पीछे भी तो
Marks.
भागे ही होगे थोड़ा बहुत?
हम तो जी मार्क्स के पीछे ही भागे.
तो गर्ल्स के पीछे भी भागा है, वो फन
गर्ल्स
किया?
देखते थे जरूर थे, ऐसी बात नहीं कि नहीं देखते थे, पर वो भागने वाली चीज़ नहीं की हमने.
So you were that sincere kid.
Yes, I can say.
So talking about हमारी teenage, like you are seeing in our teenage, we have a lot of facilities. Like we have Google Maps for directions. We have access to knowledge with our gadgets like mobile phones. We have strong network area. आपके टाइम पे ये सब नहीं था. You didn't have that video call वाला feature. You didn't have all those things. तो आपके उस टाइम में जो चीज़ें आपके पास तब अवेलेबल नहीं थी, अब you see हम जनरेशन we youth have that thing. तो what is your say on that? Like आपको टिकट्स बुक करवाने जाना पड़ता था, पीवीआर की टिकट्स हो चाहे वो रेलवे की टिकट्स हो, बट नाउ these days everything is online. So what is your say on that?
लिटिल मैडम, आप वीडियो कॉल की बात करते हो, मोबाइल ही नहीं थे.
Yeah.
हम तो कॉल बुक होती थी टेलीफोन पे, वेट करते थे अब कॉल आएगी, ट्रंक कॉल बुक होती थी. वीडियो कॉल, मोबाइल, ये तो बहुत दूर की बातें हैं. ये तो 99 में है. लकीली आई यूज्ड टू हैव दैट मोबाइल एट दैट टाइम आल्सो. उससे पहले पेजर थे, मैसेज देते थे हम पेजर पे, प्लीज़ कॉल, तो हम टेलीफोन से कॉल करते थे. ये था सिस्टम, तो ये नहीं था. तो बाकी रहा कि आप कहते हो कि आप कैसे करते थे, कोई पीवीआर नहीं थे उस वक्त, ओल्ड सिनेमास थे, तो हम तो टिकट बुक कराने जाते थे, लाइन में लगते थे, तो टिकट बुक होती थी ऐसे। बहुत सिंपल था वो तो, बड़ी सिंपल लाइफ होती थी मैं तो कहूँगा उस वक्त। उल्टा आजकल ज़्यादा टफ हो गई है, जितनी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं उतनी ही टफ लाइफ है आज की डेट में।
But don't you think that like things have also come to an ease with this digital world? कि मतलब पहले जो डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स आपने देखे हैं, तो लाइंस में खड़ना एंड ऑल, अब वो सब नहीं करना पड़ता, अब डायरेक्टली आपको टाइम भी नहीं वेस्ट होता, यू सेव योर टाइम एंड जस्ट क्लिक वन बटन एंड योर टिकट इज डन.
Absolutely right. You are saying, you have said ease.
Yeah.
Today's life is ease. Today's children are not learning ground level. हम लोगों ने ग्राउंड लेवल से वर्क किया है. आपके आज के बच्चों को एक किसी ऑफिस में भेजो कि 10 चक्कर लगा के काम करो, तो उन्हें पता लगेगा लाइफ ईज और क्या होती है. आपके यहाँ घर बैठे काम होते हैं इसलिए आपको ईजी लग रहा है. हम लोगों ने 10-10 चक्कर लगा के कोई काम करवाए हुए हैं.
Let's say seeing the difficult times and you've seen
That
these
was
times
difficult
also.
time. That was difficult times. एक सिंगल रोड होती थी, उसी पे आती थी गाड़ियाँ, उसी पे जाती थी. ठीक है, ट्रैफिक भी कम था, पर इट वाज वेरी टफ. हम लोग चंडीगढ़ जाना है, हाँ कोई पूछता था कब आओगे, आज तो जा रहे हैं, आएंगे 2-3 दिन में. आजकल तो मॉर्निंग जाते हैं, आफ्टरनून रिटर्न आ जाते हैं काम करके. सो ईज भी बहुत हुआ है. बट मैं ये कहूँगा बच्चों को आज की डेट में ग्राउंड रियलिटीज़ नहीं मालूम.
Okay.
Yes.
So like what kind of reality would you like to face, like you want your youth, this youth to face actually?
Today you must have patience and don't try to become millionaires in a day. Have patience. Money will come. Hard work will prevail. Sincerity, dedication to your work will automatically turn that, and it will result into millionaires, I can say.
Okay. So moving on, this was all about his personal life. Moving on to your professional life. Like after your college, after your graduation, what make you take the tough route of becoming a chartered accountant?
I was not knowing any chartered accountant course is there or any IAS there. Had I gone for IAS, to which I can say I would have been better, but I was not knowing.
Okay.
I could have cleared IAS because to clear CA is very tough. At that time it was very tough. The result was 1 or 2%. Now the result is 20%.
Yeah.
So it was very tough that time, but I was not knowing. Actually, it was my history that in 7th class I scored 0 marks in mathematics.
Oh.
Yes. At that time, I took a challenge that I will do higher maths. I was not knowing what is higher maths or whatever that. I scored 90 out of 90 also. And after college, in college I decided to do CA because
Okay.
it requires lot of mathematics and calculations. That's why I choose that time. It was challenge from the school life that I took and did CA, but it was my destiny, I can say. So I moved to that profession.
Really? Okay, so you scored 0 in maths,
Yes.
but yet here you are.
Yes.
Nice.
It's all to him.
Like, why did you choose to have your own set of clients rather than taking up a corporate job?
I wanted to excel in my profession. I did my articleship, my CA training from very reputed firm of India and one of the most, I can say, best in northern India. I went for audits to very big clients. At that time I decided to go for profession and excel of my own. And very truly, like other chartered accountants firms, I don't have many clients. I have very limited clientele, but all are reputed one. I have served with multinational in India and abroad, and I'm very contented right from day one of profession. To me, contentment is not uh, to stop further expansions. To me, contentment means present satisfaction.
Right.
At time I was earning only rupees 1000 a month. I was satisfied that time also. By thanking God and my parents that I am eligible for that only at that time.
Mhm.
Now whatever the earnings now, whatever the earnings were in the past, these are ups and downs, everything going on, and I am satisfied, I am contented.
Right. Very nice. So, uh, when you became a CA, like you did your CA complete in Chandigarh, right? So when you became a CA, did you get your clients very easily? क्या आपको easily मिल गए थे कि आपको struggles क्या रही आपकी?
ऐसा नहीं है, क्लाइंट्स मिलना तो बहुत टफ है. हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट का कोई रोड मैप नहीं है कि मैं तो वर्ड यूज़ करूँगा, अच्छा भी नहीं लगेगा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट फ्रेटर्निटी को, कि इट इज़ द मोस्ट अनप्रोफेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल्स.
Okay.
उनका कोई भी रोड मैप नहीं है. एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट जो बिगिनर्स आते हैं, जो फ्रेशर्स बनते हैं, कि उनको हमें काम कैसे उनको मिले, वो ऐसा कोई रोड मैप नहीं है. आई चैलेंज माई इंस्टीट्यूट, गिव मी 6 months, मैं एक ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ कि एक नया चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट जो फ्रेशर आता है, वो अपनी प्रैक्टिस में नेट 50,000 की इनकम नेट आफ्टर एक्सपेंसेस कैन अर्न.
Okay.
आज की डेट में 50,000 अर्न करने के लिए इट टेक्स मोर देन, इन ए वेरी एलिजिबल, अच्छे एंगल से मैं कहूँगा अगर, तो उसको 5 years भी लग जाएंगे 50,000 अर्न करने के लिए a month नेट ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस. पर हमारा कोई रोड मैप नहीं है, तो ये प्रॉब्लम है. तो बड़ी स्ट्रगल की हमने.
Okay.
मैं ये कहूँगा फर्स्ट 5 years में मेरे टोटली क्लाइंट 7 थे सिर्फ.
Okay.
यस, मेरे को मेरे ब्रदर अनिल जैन जी ने बहुत हेल्प की. वो बहुत हेल्प करते थे. कोई भी आता था, ये मेरा भाई सीए है तो इनको हेल्प करो आप. तो मतलब उन्होंने बहुत हेल्प की मेरी. उन्होंने मेरी स्टडी के टाइम भी की थी जब मेरे मैथमेटिक्स में 0 आया था, और उसके बाद भी उनका बहुत अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन है मेरे प्रोफेशन को स्टार्ट करने के लिए और मेरी एजुकेशन में भी. मैं उनका बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ. तो इसलिए मैंने ये चूज़ किया था कि मैं प्रोफेशन में जाऊँगा और सर्विस में नहीं जाऊँगा.
Okay, so it is a lot of struggle to get your clients.
यस, लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगल.
So do you actually think that passing all the exams makes you a good CA?
Pardon please.
Do you actually think that passing all the exams of CA makes you a good CA? Makes you a good
No,
chartered
not at all. Even after clearing of exams, first our pattern is not good.
Okay.
We must have a good pattern of a chartered accountancy course. Like entrance exam should be tough. The
And also-
result should be 5%, I can say.
Okay.
But whosoever clear entrance can become, most of them should become chartered accountant, like engineering and doctorate degrees.
You believe that the entrance should be tough so that
Tough,
people
yes.
and children should know that if they can do it, the
Yes.
CA or not.
Yes.
right?
Otherwise, most of them are wasting, or I can say, wasting their time. They pass 3 years of training but don't become CA. Only 20% become CA. 80% waste their time, and their careers are not that good. They have to do this and that after that,
Yeah.
whatever they have thought. So I
So they're
can say,
hanging in between.
yeah, they are hanging in between, so it's not that good. Our system should be changed. Even after clearing of the chartered accountancy final exams, I want a interview channel also.
Okay.
If I sit in the interview board, I will clear only 5% of the chartered accountants, not all of them, because they don't have acumen, they don't have personality. They just clear the exams after, just I can say, after studying or whatever, but they don't have any practical experience.
So they just do it for the
Yeah.
for scoring.
For
That's
scoring,
it. They don't have
that's
any
all.
practical insight.
Yes, yes,
and all.
yes.
Yeah.
CA has to be an eagle eye, so
Correct.
that is not there.
So how do you think the profession has evolved over your professional career of more than 30 years? Like what are the pros and what are the cons of the CA like for your profession?
Yes. If you ask me regarding the profession, I always convince most of the student, upcoming student or parents or anybody to go for chartered accountancy profession. I can say 2 years back, up to 2 years back. But
Okay.
for the last 2 years, I am not recommending.
Why so?
The reason, struggle is there, no confirmation, no support by the institute for the upcoming chartered accountancy.
So
Chartered
you believe
accountants,
because of the institution, but
Yes.
struggle is there in every
struggle
company.
is there, but here you can't advertise yourself. So it's a big issue. How anyone knows about your capabilities?
Right.
So that's the case. So I will not recommend anyone to go for chartered accountancy course. If he wants to go for service, then it is okay. If he gets good service in India or abroad, but I will not recommend for
The practice.
doing chartered accountancy course for practice at this moment.
All right.
So these times are not good. I am not even forcing coming 5 years also. Yeah.
So I have a general question regarding life. Like,
Yes.
what makes you get out of the bed every morning?
What makes you?
Yeah, what makes you? What motivates you to get out of the bed every morning?
I think nobody motivates you to get out of the bed. But I can say every sunrise is a blessing by him to you for another day.
Okay, right. So about the COVID, like the pandemic has really spoiled many of things in this time. So in terms of your professional as well as personal life, how has COVID affected you?
Yeah, COVID has affected a lot. Some of the clients working has gone down, and our working is because of clients only. If they are not good, how we can be good? Secondly, as far as personal life is concerned, my kids, even you, have missed your final year of charming
Yes.
in BCom in your university.
Yes.
My son Arham, he was in Boston, though he was working with Bank of New York. He has not worked in a office culture. Just working on the MacBook is not that working. He has not got that working experience what that I wanted. Had it been there, everything has been normal. अगर ये अच्छा होता, सारा नॉर्मल होता, तो आज वो यहाँ पे वापस ना आया होता, तो वो आज वहीं बैठा होता, ऑफिस जा रहा होता, उसका एटमॉस्फेयर ही कुछ और होता, एक्सपीरियंस ही कुछ और होता, जो मैं भी अंदर से चाहता था. सो इट हैज़ इफेक्टेड अ लॉट.
So, like when you remember the normalcy of the things that were before COVID, so what is the first thing that you would like to do when all of this COVID vanishes?
I will sit down and plan for the future accordingly. What to do and what other lines I have to develop apart from this profession for my children, so that I can also join them in the coming time.
Right.
To you, to Aram.
Yeah, we need
So
to
my age is also growing up, so I have to look that into for the kids, so that they grow. If they grow, house grows, and their growth is
Correct.
required at this moment. That's what I want.
Okay. So it was really nice talking to you about all of this.
Thank you.
I have a last round for you.
Yeah.
That is the rapid fire round.
Oh,
So you have to answer very quickly as to what you will choose. I'll give you two options and you have to choose between one. Okay? You have to choose. So be quick on this.
Alright. So, would you rather give up social media or would you eat the same dinner for rest of your life?
social media.
You will give up social media?
No, I will not give social media.
Okay, so you will.
I will like social media.
Okay, so you will eat same
Same,
dinner
same.
for rest.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, would you be Narendra Modi or Manmohan Singh?
Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Alright. So, would you like a tea without sugar or a travel without driver?
What I will like?
Yeah.
Travel without driver.
What? Okay, you will go for that, but you can't take tea without sugar. Okay. So, will you like select halwa or gulab jamun? As you are a sweet tooth.
Halwa.
Halwa. Okay. And would you rather like live successfully or live happily?
Happily.
Live happily.
Because success is included in happiness.
Alright. So it was very lovely to talking to you, Mr. Jain. Thank you for your precious time. I had a great time with you.
Thank you, my little
How was
doll.
your experience with me?
Yeah, it's so nice. You have done a great host.
Thank
I
you.
wish you all the best in the coming times. You can rise to heights. I have seen a lot in you. Other than my daughter, you have done
Thank you.
wonderfully.
I'm your
I'm-
daughter, so
I'm-
I will do that. I know. I have that confidence.
Yes, you have good confidence. I love it.
Thank
You will
you.
rise to heights.
Thank
I
you for
bless
your
you all.
time.
I bless you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.
That's all for today. We'll meet you in the next session.
If you liked the video, please like, comment and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.